To do an identity transfer on Bybit, you first need to understand what this process entails. Identity transfer allows you to transfer your account information to a new email address, which is useful if you want to update your login credentials or if you have lost access to your original email. Step 1 is to log in to your Bybit account using your current email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see various options related to your account management. Next, click on Security and then select Account Security from the drop-down menu. This section contains options for modifying your account settings, including changing your email address. Click on Change Email and follow the prompts to enter your new email address and confirm the change. You will then receive a verification email sent to your new email address. Open this email and click on the verification link to confirm the change. This step is crucial as it ensures the security of your account by verifying that you have access to the new email. After confirming your new email, you will be redirected back to the Bybit platform, where you can log in using your new email address and existing password. It is essential to note that changing your email address does not affect your account balances, open orders, or trading history. Best practices include using a secure and unique password for your Bybit account, enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security, and regularly reviewing your account settings to ensure everything is up to date. It is also a good idea to use a password manager to securely store your login credentials. In conclusion, transferring your identity on Bybit is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a smooth transition to a new email address while maintaining the security and integrity of your account.